Hey everyone and welcome back to the Digital Nuclei. Today we are diving into the world of AI text to video conversion. While everyone's buzzing about OpenAI SORA, let's explore what existing tool offer and what gives SORA the edge. Guess the name of the AI tool that is used to generate the video in the background and watch the complete video to know about the tool. So let's get started. First in the list is Veed.io. It's a powerful AI tool for generating videos. It is used for editing and many other things, but let's see its text to video converter functionality. We prompted the system to generate a video on crowd cheering for a bridge opening in India. Just check out the result.
Each one filled with hope and excitement. The energy was palpable as we cheered for the opening of the bridge, a symbol of progress and unity. In that moment, I felt connected to every person there, united in celebration.
Now let's move on to the Capwing AI, which is a powerful tool for generating videos. Let's go ahead with the same prompt for its text to video converter. Just check out the result.
The video captures the spirited crowd cheering at the grand opening ceremony of a bridge in India. The sight of jubilant faces, waving flags, and joyful chants offers a glimpse into the excitement and pride surrounding this significant event. The bridge stands tall, symbolizing progress and connectivity, as the crowd celebrates a milestone in their community's development. Watch as the atmosphere becomes electric with anticipation and hope for a brighter future ahead.
Similarly, let's generate a video with InVideo, another awesome AI tool for text to video generation.
Have you ever witnessed the opening of a bridge? No? Well, allow me to paint a picture for you. Picture a warm, sunny afternoon in the bustling heartland of India, where excitement is brewing over an event that has been years in the making, the grand opening of a bridge, but not just any bridge, a marvel of modern engineering that represents more than just a crossing over a river. Let me take you back a few years when all of this began. It was a time when the locals had to travel long. Band is playing.
Just fast forwarding the video.
The notes dancing in the air, adding to the festive atmosphere. Beacon of progress, a testament to the human beacon.
The InVideo has generated the best video till now. Now let's try our hands on the AI studios with the same prompt of bridge opening and people on India cheering for it. And there you go, the video is ready. Let's check it out.
Ever wondered what brings communities together in a spectacular way? Today, we're at the heart of India, witnessing the grand opening of a bridge that's more than just construction, it's a new lifeline. But what makes this bridge so special to earn such an overwhelming cheer? It's not just about connecting 2 points, it's about bridging dreams and
It has generated a nice AI avatar synchronized with AI generated speech. In the 4 tools that we checked, all the 4 have used AI generated content including images and text and stitched them together to make an AI generated video. This is where SORA will be special. The videos playing in the background are all generated by SORA through prompts. So instead of generating a video for YouTube with AI generated content, SORA is generating the AI generated video itself. SORA leverages the true power of generative AI, crafting the entire video experience. It's hard to tell the real from AI generated video, as you can see in the background. Share your thoughts on these AI generated videos in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content from Digital Nuclei.